thing that's been very exciting about this conference has been the innovation in the technology and the flexibility of the technology that's available from IBM, and the fact that IBM have been really great in producing roadmaps for notes and domino and connections, and a lot of the ICS and wider technologies. A lot of the display of technology has been really exciting, so we look forward to seeing what comes up next, and yeah, we're having a great time here. So
in Engage 2018 is the evolution of Domino 10 is coming, which we're very excited about, especially on the node integration. That's my main focus. Other things we've been excited about is also some integration with Watson Workspace. That's something to be interesting for us as for our product. So.
Hi, I'm Sharon Jones from BCC. I am very excited to hear about the news for Verse On-Prem. So we are getting not one version of Verse On-Prem, we're getting at least 3 versions this year. So we're having a version before version 10's release, the version 10 released at some point when Domino 10's released, and then we're having a pre-version 11 release. So we've gone from no releases to many. So thank you, Barry and Team HCL, for that. We're also getting lots of really cool stuff that we've asked for in Verse On-Prem, and a bunch of things that we didn't even know we needed. So really, really enthused, and the whole message from the event has been all about Domino 10, lots of excitement around the product. So great news all round.
I'd like to talk about Verse On-Premise, the new way of accessing your Domino on-premise server mail using a web browser. There's a lot of new features, lots of functionalities, a very nice UI, and it's the future replacement of what is now a Notes Web Access. It's much better than Notes Web Access. You can store the attachment you receive in your email in Connections, in Box, and in the future in any repository. It's a very sleek UI. And if you haven't tried it, I suggest you to give it a try. That's the future of web browser-based mail for Domino.
Hi, my name is Bernd Gewehr. I'm working for Pressing, which is an engineering company covering Germany and some other countries as well. We're a Notes and Domino and Connections and Same Time and Watson Workspace customer now for 20 years, at least for the Notes part. And we're doing integrations of Notes applications intensively into Connections to have a customer experience from the extranet perspective as well as an employee experience from our intranet perspective that covers all our Domino applications that are infused into the Connections user interface. And, well, maybe astonishing, but all this is possible now just using X pages, some Java code, and Connections experience for the endpoints that IBM offered us to extend the Connections user interface and building community apps and that stuff. So what I want to tell everybody out there is, don't wait, just start, use what is there, and build apps. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask myself or somebody else in the champions around here how to start and how to do it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm from Japan. Maybe this year is the first time Japanese people attended to the Engage, and I'm really surprised this is a big event and so many IBM champions, a great session, and a great development session, administrative session. I'm really enjoying this event. So thank you, Theo, and all the supporting the sponsors and the IBM champions. So please come to Japan for the maybe the kind of this great session. Thank you.
Well, it's great to be in another Engage conference. Yet again, Theo and Hilda have put on an amazing conference in an amazing venue. I can't tell you how great the SS Rotterdam is. It's been a fabulous place to hold the conference. Great to see lots of business partners who are here, some new ones, which is always good to see. 43% new attendees at Engage this year, which is fantastic, and over 400 people here, which is brilliant. Well done, Theo. It's great. Another great conference in the bag. Thanks, mate.